To get an early-stage hardware or software concept off the ground, founders usually have to give up equity, but the government of Karnataka offers an alternative, a non-dilutive grant of up to 50 lakh rupees, designed specifically to help you build your first prototype or proof of concept. This is the Elevate Idea2PoC program. It is exclusively available to innovation-driven startups that are officially registered and operating within Karnataka. Today, we are going to walk through the exact steps required to prepare your materials and successfully submit your application through the official state portal. Before opening your browser, prepare 3 mandatory items: official proof of Karnataka registration, a pitch deck with your grant budget and milestones, and a written description of your core idea. Properly formatting these is critical. Mismatched files are the most common reason for immediate rejection. Karnataka has one of the densest technology ecosystems in the world. To manage the volume of startups looking for support, the state runs Elevate in focused cohorts rather than a rolling admissions process. Your first step is to navigate to the official Startup Karnataka portal. Once there, you need to locate the Open Calls section on the homepage. Because of the cohort system, you have to verify that an Elevate call is actually active. You cannot submit an application on a whim. The window must be officially open. If you check the portal and there are no active calls listed, bookmark the page and check back regularly. Any materials submitted outside of these designated windows simply won't be processed. Timing your submission to match an active cohort window is the only way to guarantee your proposal actually enters the official evaluation queue. When you do find an active call, you'll click Apply, and the portal will prompt you to generate a new Elevate account. Before you fill out a single field, we need to address a major pitfall that catches many early-stage founders: third-party grant agents. Applying through the official Startup Karnataka portal is 100% free. The government never asks for an upfront processing fee to look at your idea. You should completely ignore any websites, consultants, or middlemen who promise to fast-track your application or guarantee your selection for a cut of the money. Government grants are awarded on merit. They cannot be bought. By staying directly on the official zero-fee platform, you protect your startup's data and ensure your application is legitimate. Inside the application portal, you will paste your written idea into the designated text fields. Then you'll upload your pitch deck, your budget, and your proof of registration as PDF files. As you enter your text, remember the core evaluation criteria. Your description needs to clearly define what makes your technology novel and how your proposed solution can scale. You will also see an optional section to input your startup's bank account details. This is used later to facilitate the milestone-linked disbursements if your grant is approved. After reviewing your inputs, hit Submit. Wait for the processing screen to clear, and then verify that you've received both the on-screen confirmation and the automated email receipt. Executing this upload sequence correctly and seeing that receipt means your application is safely in the system, giving you a risk-free shot at the funding. With the application phase complete, your startup is officially logged in the Karnataka Startup Cell system. Next, the internal review team evaluates the submissions. If your concept aligns with the program's goals, you will receive an invitation to pitch your idea directly to the evaluation panel. Since the final grant is paid out against specific milestones, use this waiting period effectively. Refine your live pitch and finalize the exact roadmap you'll use to build your prototype. Get your documents in order, practice your delivery, and keep building. This is your opportunity to bring your ideas to life. The administrative effort of applying is just step 1. Securing this early-stage capital gives you the resources you need to turn your innovative concept into a tangible reality.